Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to fix sound issues in CarX Drift Racing 2 game. If you've ever opened the game and found there is no sound, missing engine noise or sound cutting out, then first of all, go ahead and make sure that your silent mode or do not disturb mode isn't enabled on your smartphone. Sometimes the problem is outside the game, so this is a quick first check. If the problem still continues, the next thing you can do is to restart your CarX Drift Racing 2 game. Fully close the game from recent app. Just drag upwards from the bottom of your screen in order to bring up the app switcher and push off the app switcher upwards in order to forcefully close your application. Now you can open up your CarX Drift Racing 2 game once again, and then you might be able to fix your issue with this quick simple restart. If the problem still continues, then open up your game first and then make sure that you're inside the main lobby screen. Once you're in the main home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top of the screen, and then from the settings menu, click on sound at the top. Now, right where you see the sound menu, you will see three different options such as interface, music, and effects. Make sure that these buttons are enabled. If these buttons are turned off and they are all the way towards the left, then you will not be able to hear any sound. Simply go ahead and drag the little slider and make sure that you select the volume. If any of them are set to the 0, then you can simply drag it towards the right hand side in order to increase or decrease the music of the game. You can also enable other options such as engine and turbo sound options. Simply go ahead and drag the slider right towards the right hand side in order to increase the volume. After you do that, you will be able to fix your sound problem in CarX Drift Racing 2. If the problem still continues, then go ahead and update your game. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for CarX Drift Racing 2 and check if there is any new updates available. If there is, you can update to the latest version of the app, and that might be able to get you out of this situation. So those were some of the fixes you could consider. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gaming guides and tech fixes. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.